Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make these yummy aloo tacos or potato tacos. So it's a very simple recipe. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let's prepare the taco shells. For that, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of oil, and just mix all the dry ingredients well. Now add some water and knead it to a soft dough. I think I used about 1/3 cup of water. So the dough should look something like this. Now coat it with 2 teaspoons of oil. Now cover the dough and let it rest for a minimum of 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, knead the dough for about like 2 minutes until it is very soft. Now sprinkle some flour and take a small portion of the dough, and using a rolling pin, roll it into a thin sheet. We don't want it to be very thick or very thin. So it should look something like this. Now repeat the same with the rest. Now heat a pan and fry the tortillas. We want to slightly cook it on both the sides. So just fry it until they turn like light brown like that. We just want to slightly cook it, not like completely cook it. Now repeat the same with the rest. Now heat a pan and add some oil. Now add about 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large sized onion finely chopped, and saute it for about a minute or so. Now add 1 cup of capsicum, that is 1 medium capsicum finely chopped, and saute it. Now to this I'm adding 4 medium sized boiled and mashed potatoes. To this add half a spoon of salt, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of oregano, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, and just mix it well. Add half a spoon of chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of garlic powder. This is optional. You can adjust the spice accordingly. Now to this add finely chopped coriander leaves and add 1 spoon of tomato ketchup and give it a good mix, and the stuffing is done. Now let's assemble the tacos. Take the tortilla, and here I have a mixture of tomato ketchup and chili sauce. Just apply it on the tortilla. Now here I have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can use processed cheese as well. Add how much ever you want, feel free to use it. Now here I have the aloo stuffing, so we're just gonna add it on like the half side of the tortilla. We're not gonna add it like on the whole tortilla, just like half side on as shown in the video. Now here I'm just gonna add some more mozzarella cheese. Now just fold the tortilla to look like a taco as shown in the video. It should be able to stand like this, like give it a proper base. Now do the same with the rest. Do not add more aloo stuffing, or else the tortilla won't fold this way. So repeat the same with the rest. So here I have about 5 tacos. Now heat a pan and add some oil. Just spread it. Now fry the tortillas. We have to fry it on both the sides and the base as well. So fry it on medium flame until they turn golden brown, and they have to be crispy on the outside. So I think about a minute on both the sides is fine. So fry the base as well, because we want the tacos to stand and not just fall off. So we need the base also to be crispy. So repeat the same with the rest of the tacos. So yeah, this is a simple recipe and I hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.